What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video where we talk about crypto, investing, wealth, mindset, and all of the above. If you're new here, my name is Donnie Joseph. Welcome. Please subscribe, engage with the content, and let's just jump right in. I'm going to be completely transparent with you and tell you that I was having the hardest time today thinking of a topic to record a video on. It would be very easy for me to come, hit record, and talk to you about the war. I could talk about inflation. I could talk about the financial reset. But the reality is, I want to talk about crypto. Crypto is what excites me. It's one of the reasons that I started this channel because I believe in the opportunity that it presents for people like you and me. But there is just not a lot to talk about in the crypto space right now. I feel like we have been getting kicked in the mouth month after month after month. There was a bull run that never happened in 2025. And I do see that there is a lot of frustration. The sentiment is down. And I understand that for a lot of people, it is hard to remain optimistic and have a positive outlook. I say all that to say this, is that despite, and again, I'm an investor just like you. My portfolio was down 50%. Doesn't make me happy. There's moments that I have frustrations, but I haven't given up. I haven't lost hope. And the primary reason for that is that I've zoomed out. I'm looking at this whole project or this whole crypto space from an elevated view. And I understand that all of these projects are going to take time. There is less than 5% of the entire world that is invested in the crypto space right now. We are still trying to get regulation passed, right? We haven't even got the Clarity Act passed yet. Hopefully it's coming soon. But even once it passes, it's still going to take time for adoption to take place. You look at things like XRP, you look at things like VeChain, projects that I invest in daily. I understand that it is going to take time for those things to be completely rolled out. I love HBAR. I love what HBAR is doing. I love the partnerships. I believe in them long term. But I also understand that it is going to take time for adoption to take place. But what I see is that the majority of the investors that are here in the space right now, the ones that still remain, is that they're having a hard time understanding that things take time. Now, I want to take a look at Warren Buffett. I'm reading a book about him. It's called Financial Statements, a great book. It was recommended to me by Coach JV. And Warren Buffett's approach is finding undervalued companies at a fair price, not at the best price, at a fair price. So he's finding undervalued companies at a fair price, and he invests in them because he believes, quote unquote, that they're going to make him super rich in time. Not now, not in a month, not in a year, not in 2 years, but in time. And so if we're thinking about investing and we want to be successful, wouldn't it make sense that we look at one of the most successful investors of all time and try to model what he's done? So then why is it that the people that are getting frustrated are wanting to see price appreciation when the reality is that to have real success, a lot of this stuff is just going to take time? And again, I'm not saying that, like, look, I would love to see the market rip and be able to pull some profits, be able to get some of my initial investment back, and I will do so. But I don't think that that's where I'm going to get super wealthy. I think my wealth is going to be built by investing in these projects, which are all undervalued right now because the market is down, and I'm completely comfortable with buying them at a fair price. I'm not trying to get them at a bottom. I'm okay with buying them today, yesterday, and tomorrow. I'm okay with the prices that I'm getting them at. If they go lower, great, I'll get them at those prices too, but I'm not going to sit around and wait for the bottom. And I'm not even frustrated that they haven't appreciated because, again, I'm looking at it from a zoomed out view. I'm sharing this in case you are somebody that is frustrated, in case you are somebody that is thinking about giving up. I ask you to zoom out and just understand that things will take time. It's not going to be down forever. If it was running up right now, you would be wishing that you had the opportunity that you've been given right now. We have major opportunity. We have to look at it through a different lens. Again, it'd be easy to be frustrated, it'd be easy to look at it through a cynical view, but to me, these are blessings. These are opportunities, and we need to take advantage of them. Get these companies at a fair price. Let them do like Warren Buffett and make you super rich in time. I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, we'll talk soon.